Hello, everybody, to the second episode of Happy Wheels. Now, in the last episode, I fought some guy for a sword. And now, we're at Dead XXXX Line by Daniel Azuri. Let's do this. Segway guy. Whoa! I got the coin. Toilet! Oh, jeez! Come on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! You know what? I'm gonna have to say Brad. Sorry, there's fireworks in the background. I cannot do this. Yes, I give up a lot. Deal with it. No, don't deal with it. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Try and you die. LOL, I suck at this. And it's by Smiley Face Man 80. Again! Oh, Daddy, look my arm! You know, son, don't make me come back there, I swear to God. Okay, let's be... Oh, yeah, there's a vending... Oh my God, I'm up here! Holy crap, I think I'm dead. I'm dead, aren't I? Yep. Oh, no, I'm still alive. Suck it! Yes! Oh God, that was good. Rojo Milonka by the Cami Pelowski. Mo something level. See, I don't know. Must be him. Hey Dad, I don't know. Don't make me come back there, cause I swear to God. But Dad, no, don't even talk. I swear to God. Okay, I made it. Don't Go Pro on Me by Dan Plays Games. This game involves little strategy and just pure timing and skill between jumps. But don't go pro when you finish. Check out my YouTube. Yeah. Oh dear. Hey guys, my name is Dark Chocolate. Whee. Oh, I could have just killed myself. Okay, ready? Whee. Okay, I'm a dolphin. Okay. Hockey. Okay, ready? And go. Nope. Yes, come on. Oh! Oh! Oh, God. Oh, no, don't go back. Oh, okay. You ready for this? Are you ready? Please tell me you're ready. Go. Whee! Okay. That didn't work. Ready? Whee! What the? That didn't work either. Okay, ready? Whee! Ooh! Oh, my helmet. I lost my helmet, apparently. Look at this. Oh, got it. I'm a ninja. Oh, I'm PewDiePie and Abuscus. Oh, that's like a combined of the two best, in my opinion. Don't get me wrong. A lot of other people, YouTube people, are awesome, but I just think they're the best. Just saying. That's just out of my opinion. Don't. Whee. That was only a warm up. Son of a noob. No, you're a noob. Up. Not doing that again. Yeah. Sorto by Ebla. Please rate this and enjoy. Oh, lost my legs. Well. What the heck just happened? Ooh, swords. Oh. Okay. Guess that then. Okay. Dashi, please play. By Charlie 44. It is Epico and first level. Not even doing anything. Oh god! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Ah! Well, it's obvious I'm not gonna make it. Whee! Bombs away! Ooh! Oh, blasted! Oh, crap. Go! Goodbye! Segway! Goodbye! Goodbye. In the arms of... Segway! You came back! To kill me. Segway came back to kill me! What the hell? That ain't right. Oh crap, not this crap again. Bullcrap. Okay. Ooh! Come on, I got this. No, you got this. Okay, good. Ooh, go. Ooh! Go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What the hell is that? What the hell? No! That is bullcrap. Neon Rope Swing by Dumabia. Hey guys, this is my first level. Please enjoy. Okay, I will. Okay. Ooh! No! Okay. Oh! Okay, yeah, I'll just grab onto it into my elbows. Okay. Up. Let's see how I can do with one arm. Oh, I guess I can. I haven't played Happy Wheels in a long time. Ooh! Okay. Well, I don't see how I'm supposed to complete that. Get ready. Yep. Oh. Okay, or I could just take my arm. Whee! Okay, I could just take... Dang it. You know what? I give up. Kill JB. Oh. Kill JB by Xanarus211. Oh. Okay. That's it? Okay. Did I already play this one? Conference 3, 2, 1. Sorry about the fireworks, guys. Oh, go. What the heck am I doing? What am I doing? What is this? Oh god, that was something else. Epic. By Dasher XDD. Haha. I am Russian to get to work. Haha, no, I'm just Russian. Oh crap. Okay, here, I got this. This time, I will get this. Whee! Oh, broke my leg. Okay, ready? Go! No! Going. Oh my god! Oh. Oh! Close enough. Close enough. Air Wrestling by Good Dude 12432. Sorry. You have got into the final for Air Wrestling. Show the other men what you can do. I will. Or we can just knock each other's heads off. What's up? I got this. Oh, God! Let's see who can beat the Russian Soviet Army Union. For body slam to me. Sorry about the fireworks again. Boom! Suck it. All right. The Fan by Henry Shepard. Whee! Whee! Oh, you know, just stretching out for the big time. Now it's getting going. Yeah, my boy. Come on. Okay. I will beat this level. I will beat this level. You ought to know it too. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, wee. Wee. I don't even think we're supposed to even beat this level. You know what? That's enough out of this. Stupid Hitler by Epic Sock 2. Epic Sock 2 is just Epic Sock who forgot his password. This all requires patience. Have fun. I got no patience at all. Kill him. What? Wee. Wee. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. What am I supposed to do? Look at this gun. What? I'm bored. Throw your axe away now. Something might happen. No. That wasn't very nice. Run 2 by Chirgin Kim. Do not say. Number 1. Ooh. Ooh. Level 2. Up. Oh, no! No, they're probing me! Oh, I'm dead. Oh. No, it's taking me away! Get me out of here! Go! Or not. Okay. Whatcha? Whatcha? No, not again! The stupid pitchfork! Daddy Run HD by Max MU. Have fun. Welcome to my short fun level. Have fun. I will. And then, I don't know what to do. I swear. See what you made me did. I don't know. I'm gonna go. You mean I'm gonna go? Don't make me come back there. Well, I just tried to let me come back there. Oh, thank you. He's gone. Whoever just did that, thank you.
Damn it.
Oh, damn it. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Press this. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna skip that. Minecraft Pogo Level by Medrix. Minecraft Pogo Level 2 is a continuous from part 1. Please rate my second level. I will so happy. Enjoy. Second. Oh, it's locked. Fuck. Oh, I have to find another way. Oh no. How am I supposed to do this thing? Oh. I need Pogo guy. Okay. Boom boom. Boom boom boom. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, or I can. Oh, I could just hop up here. Ooh, cave. Really way out straight. Van and trash. Oh, you know what? Too complicated. Sword Throw by Demeanens Martin. I made a sword throw. It took me a long time, yeah. Okay. What is he doing? He's like humping the ground. Oh, just stuck a sword in his ass. Okay, so boom. Oh, I got that. Okay, ready? Now, no, don't kill yourself. Okay. Oh crap! Oh, I'm still alive. I got the sword in my face. Screw everybody. Okay, let's just retry that. Scubbo. No. Scubbo. No. No. Scub. Dang it! Blasts. Nope. Get ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay. I'm gonna end this episode here. So, please leave a like, rate, and subscribe, please, if you want. Or, you know what? Just enjoy it. Okay? I'll see you later. And always, have a good day. Have a good day.